So when a catastrophe happens, it's kind of an interesting situation. It's just not one claim that has occurred to that one individual. I mean, folks will walk outside their door and they could see their neighbors' homes that are damaged. They could see their whole block is basically utterly destroyed.
What I think is the most important thing of our entire operation is helping people. A lot of times we'll have damage where our insureds will be out of their homes. So we want to be there when that catastrophe hits as quickly as we can to help people.
We want the policyholder to understand that regardless that it's a catastrophe situation, we're here to take care of you. We're going to be with you throughout the process, whether this claim lasts 2 weeks or 2 months or 2 years, depending upon the size, but that we're going to get them through this process. We feel we can do that best with our own people that understand our philosophy on how we want to handle those claims. Our storm team organization is a little bit unique because they're all volunteers.
We monitor, if possible, we monitor the storm prior to the event occurring. With hurricanes, that's much easier because we have 7 to 10 days, a lot of times, leeway of where the storm is, where we think it's going to make landfall. So we do use software, different resources, different software systems to try to figure out, are there going to be convective storms? If so, where are they going to hit? But we still may never know that until they hit.
We'll start planning on getting our team set up and our leaders in for those teams set up, usually midsummer to early fall.
We have catastrophe teams on call, 2 catastrophe teams on call in blocks of 10 days throughout the year. So every week during the year, we will have 2, a primary and a secondary CAT team on call, ready to go. There's usually 6 or 7 adjusters and 2 field claims managers from throughout the country that will lead those teams. Agents are a great resource for us because they know the community, they know the city, the area, they know where they're maybe most heavily insured and where their worst losses may be, so they can help us triage more quickly. Some of our advanced technology that we've started using within the last 1.5 or 2 years is really helping us become more efficient, which in the end helps our policyholder because we can get there again quickly and assess their damage and make payments and get them back in business, back in their home, whatever the situation is.
Technology is great, I love it, but you know, there's nothing that replaces the good old-fashioned approach of having people that are living in the area that can provide you that bird's eye view, if you will, of what actually just happened, what the damages are, how great the impact is.
We have to be prepared to handle all kinds of catastrophes, not only the hailstorm or the tornado, but wildfires. But bottom line, it's helping people, and that's what we want to do. We want to be there for them, and we want to be there for them as quickly as possible and in person.